Nagaland State Dimapur District Tuili Graveyard Nishna Hotai Din Alag Alag Reason Aro Criminal Activity Karni Manu Lagajan Harayana Jathaka Reporti Itu Moina June 13 Walford Renma Koliniti Motabra Nijor Maki Murai Digena accused Motatu Low Hesapte Jail Kud Digena Thaka Jail Vitorbra 25th of June Murija Shekwena Amikhan sources Pilo Ase Report Jani Paya Sapti accused Motatu Central Jail Dimapur Observation Ward Rakhigena Thakatu Jailers Khan Sam Lagabat Khelai Digina Nijor Ward Pathabole Gri Thakatamti Tai Ki Napa Karni Compound Pitote Pisar Jatu Goa Renwell Pitote Murijagena Thaka Pilo Shikudi Ase Aro Hatsa Opote Khobor Pasat Dipubar Police Khan Rasport Ponchi Jagina Dead Body District Hospital Dimapur Ponchai Sheulipi Murijagena Anya declare Kridigina preliminary investigation te equal full play Panai ko ase aro family khan ke henover nokra kiti necessary formalities rakhilu shiko ina sources pa sab viewers khan ge jonai dia ase aro ami khan UP state rapid breaking khobor pa thake sabti daily wage workers labor Anwar Bratu talaga 5 years dodor logina treatment karni Saraswati Medical College Hapur ahatu hospital authority khan bra treatment karni advance 20,000 deposit krubole koi digina baba brato arrange krubole napara aketi talaga bachatu sas khotom hoi jai shikoina khobor pailui ase This is Baba Anwar statement kridia sabti tai brato hat thurgina doctor aro staff khan ki talaga bacha iman biya halatte thaka karni side bole request kusholipi clearly poisa frost arrange krubole koi digina baba brato 500 rupees hi thaka karni alag to arrange krubole ashort kri sholipi dine ho jagena 5 years laga maki bacha tu murija Anwar ko dia ase aro ajikali hospital tuli business karni hi choli thaka nishna report hesab pailu ase